Welcome back to Limeroad Beauty. A lot of you have asked us to specially film this video for you guys, and here I am. Today I'm going to show you how to do your everyday work face. So it's going to be simple, quick, and it is going to help you look super presentable, fresh and more awake. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to use is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I am just applying this with my finger. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, on my nose and around the mouth so that the makeup doesn't settle into these laugh lines. Now as you can see, the area under the eyes and around the mouth is a little pigmented and dull. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm also applying this in the corners of my nose because that area looks a little bit more red. And just a touch of it over my eyelids. With a concealer blending brush, I'm going to push everything in and blend it out nicely so that there are no harsh lines. So to even out the overall skin tone, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I like to shake my foundation up before I pump it out. I've taken a very small pump of it and I'm not going to apply a whole lot because I've already covered up everything with my concealer. I am taking the foundation on a fluffy blending brush and just pushing it in all over my face. My face looks a little too matte right now, so I am going to take this Maybelline V Face Duo Stick and I'm going to take the highlighter side of it. I will just apply this highlighter to the high points of my face. Now I don't want to do something very shiny, but I just want the face to look a little glowy than what it is right now. With the same blending brush, I will just push this product in and blend it out. I'm going to set the makeup on certain parts of my face with a fluffy brush and this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. The under eyes are the most important. If you don't set your makeup, your concealer will start settling into your fine lines. I'm also applying some powder to the tops of my eyelids. To add a little flush to the cheeks, I'm going to use the Faces Glam On Blush. This is such a pretty color. It's called Coral Pink and I'm just using a blush brush. Be very conservative when you're applying blush to go to work. You want to look fresh, but you don't want to look like a Barbie doll. I'm going to quickly fill my eyebrows with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. I am just filling my arch in. And with the spoolie side of this brush, I will brush my eyebrow hairs upwards and blend that color that I already applied. Now in the morning before leaving for work, I obviously don't have time to do a fancy eyeshadow look, and honestly I don't even think it's appropriate. So what I'm going to do is a quick transition color. I am going to be using this shade called Flirt from the Color Bar Nude 12 palette. I'm taking this color called Flirt on my fluffy brush and just applying it to the crease so that my eyes look more deep set, more awake and more interesting. I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply mascara because it makes all the difference in making your eyes look very open. I will be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love that this wand has a nice curve, so it keeps the lashes curled. Always coat your bottom lashes as well so that there is balance and the eyes will obviously look more open. The rest of the face is ready. I just need to do my lips. My favorite for everyday use is the Maybelline Mysterious Mocha, and it is just the perfect everyday nude for all skin tones. Now I'm going to throw this in my bag, and this is all that I will be touching up throughout the day. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and leave me a comment below and tell me all about your workwear makeup routine. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.